Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Gaviette, back again with another video, and in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you some shoes. They're right over here. They're just in this classic Nike box. Take a wild guess at what shoe they are. You've probably already seen the title and the thumbnail, but they are the Nike Dunk Lows in the University Red color. They are right here. I got them in a size 7.5 for men, 9 women's. And I got them off the sneakers app for retail of $100, but actually on StockX right now I could sell them for around like $370, $360 dead stock, but I'm about to put these on my feet so they're not going to be dead stock anymore, but that's not a problem because I don't plan on selling these shoes. I plan on wearing them. I do love this red and white colorway. It's just classic. I feel like it matches with more things than you would think of. But straight out the box, this is what they look like, and they do come with a pair of white laces, but they're already laced with the red. I'm gonna probably be switching them out for one shoe with the white lace, one shoe with the red. You guys can get like a visual what they would look like with each shoelace color. Right off the bat, I do see a little bit of like imperfections. I will show you them up close. Like for example, on the right shoe, I feel like the leather's just a little more wrinklier than on the left shoe. And I'm seeing most of the imperfections on the right shoe, which is kind of weird. Like I could see some glue mark, but then again, it's just me being nitpicky because no one's gonna be looking at my shoe like that up close besides me. But I am gonna get some wear out of these, so I don't really mind right now. But if I was paying like StockX prices for these shoes, I would be kind of like, what the heck? Like I paid $300 for a shoe and it's not perfect. But I only paid $100. They're gonna get some wear out of them. They're gonna get some creasing over time, but I'm gonna try to not crease them so much. I do have like these little shoe inserts so that it's less creasing. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys some up close, and I'm going to put them on my feet so you guys get a better look of the shoe. So here's me taking them out the box. I love a fresh shoe, so this is my favorite part. It's just so satisfying to me. Okay, so I don't know if you guys could see, but the one on the left screen, which is the right shoe, is so much wrinklier and less smooth. Also, here's the stitching that's just so off on this shoe. Like I said, no one should be that close to me anyway, but I'm about to point to something that's just kind of off in the front where like the red meets the white leather, which isn't on the other shoe. While I'm here, I might as well tell you about this sizing. For me, it was true to size. Like I said, I wear a 7.5 in men's and a 9 in women's, and I thought it fit perfectly. It didn't fit too big or too small, so I would definitely go with your true size. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing slash shoe review. Like I said before, it's my first one, so don't come for me in the comments because it's my first shoe video, so I'm still learning how to like shoot shoes and like those type of videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Trust me, I'll get better. I do plan on getting some shoes. I'm not gonna let you guys know which ones, but if I get them, they'll be up in my channel. If I don't, then I had no luck on the sneakers app. Wish me luck and just pray for me that I get these shoes so I can unbox them for you on my channel. I do plan on uploading more shoe slash fashion slash hypebeast kind of videos, so let me know what you guys would want to see in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.